Good morning and thanks for joining this Wednesday, the 7th of July. I'm Sophia Mavridis, a market analyst at Bell Direct. Wall Street kicked off their four-day week mixed. The S&P 500 hit a record at the open, a 7-day winning streak, which was its longest streak since August last year. The index then fell 0.2%. The Dow Jones also fell 208 points, while the Nasdaq rose 0.17% and closed at a new record. European markets closed lower and oil stocks dropped after talks of an alliance between OPEC and other oil producers has been postponed after disagreements on a production policy. After the RBA's announcement yesterday, the Aussie share market continued to fall until the close, ending 53 points lower. The RBA has held the cash rate at 0.1%, where it is likely to stay until 2024. The bank's bond buying program was altered to reflect the growing strength of the economic recovery. Bond buying is used to keep weekly borrowing costs low, and the program was scaled back from $5 billion a week to $4 billion a week. The market saw losses across 9 of its industry sectors yesterday, with healthcare down the most and tech stocks also struggling. In the tech sector, Appen fell the most, down 6.2% and closing at $12.12. The 4 major banks all closed flat. Among them, Westpac fell 0.3% after announcing that they have sold Fidelity Life, their New Zealand life insurance business, for $373 million. As for what to watch today locally, this morning the Aussie share market is set to open flat. The futures are suggesting a fall of 11 points or 0.2% down to 7,162 points. Now today, watch Sydney Airport SYD, which has seen a lot of movement this week. On Monday, Sydney Airport's share price jumped almost 34% after they announced an all-cash $22.6 billion buyout offer from infrastructure investors, including IFM Investors, a US private equity group, Global Infrastructure Partners, and Queensland Superannuation Fund. SYD is currently down 0.9%. Also, keep your eyes on Mineral Resources MIN as their share price moves higher. The company announced that they will be drilling their own natural gas supply in Perth. The project aims to provide energy security for the company's future mining operations at a lower cost. Yesterday, MIN closed 0.4% higher. Now, New South Wales Premier Gladys Berejiklian is set to extend Sydney's current lockdown, originally set to end this Friday. The COVID-19 outbreak hit 330 total cases yesterday. The Premier will also set out the plan that will ease Sydney out of lockdown over the coming weeks. Moving to commodities, the oil price is trading 1.9% lower, while in the US it jumped overnight amid arguments between Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates that blocked supply increases. Gold is trading 0.2% higher and iron ore is trading 2.4% higher. Yesterday, the most traded stocks by Bell Direct clients were Woodside Petroleum, WPL, Brainchip, BRN and ANZ, while our advised clients were trading the VanEck Vectors MSCI World ETF, that's QUAL, BHB and VanEck Vectors Australian Equal Weight ETF, MVW. Now for some trading ideas for your consideration. Bell Potter have upgraded their buy recommendation on Unity Group from a hold to a buy, with an increased price target of $3.60, previously at $3.20. Unity Group are a telecommunications provider specializing in fixed wireless, fiber and telco services. UWL closed yesterday at $3.14, implying a 14.6% share price growth in the year. And Citi have a buy recommendation on Ramsay Healthcare, that's RHC, with a $76 price target. And to end, bullish charting signals have been identified in CYM, Dropsuit DSE and Clean Space Holdings CSX, according to Trading Central. Now that's all for this Wednesday morning. I'm Sophia Mavridis with Bell Direct. Have a great day and happy trading.